Yeah, everyone, I'll be solving a code list. If anyone is new to the stream or is here first time, please feel free to watch my other videos and happy coding. So design a time-based key value structure that can store. So for the first 10 minutes, right, I'll be focusing on solving this problem and then I'll come back to the chat. Uh, Already Firegun is here. Hey bro, hey Firegun. To design a time base that can store multiple values for the same key at a different timestamp. Okay, so you have a key that has multiple values, value 1, value 2, and each value is at a timestamp. Like this is at T1, this is at T2. Okay, so this is like a put thing, and then you have a get, right? So in get you pass two things, a key and its timestamp, right? So turns the value such that set was previously called. Basically, the last value that you need to give. Okay, is there any guarantee that timestamps are strictly increasing? So basically, you have to do for each value, who also. Hmm. I think it is. You can do binary search on its list. So basically, this is like a hash map of string, and then you have a string and its value, right? Value will have two things. So let's call it value key value pair. Let's call it pair only, then list of pairs. And this is your HM. And I need a class pair which has um, and string value and string time. Mm, mm, this is for If the timestamp, so no, if the this value is less than equal to hmm? I thought that it will always be. Hmm. And this is a widely known question. I'm not going to do this as of now because I'll have to probably look at it. The best solution, the one is that you put it all together and sort it. That's the easy one. But there is one where you kind of split these both into two parts and then do it that way, right? So not going to look at that one today. Hey Sandy bro, yo. Let's get started. We'll take participate in a lead code contest. Now, partition array into two equal products. So you are given an integer array containing distinct positive integers and an integer target. Determine if you can do into with each element, okay, such that the product of the each subset is equal to the target, okay, of the so basically 24, right? And each should be equal. Each is such that the product of element should be 24. Okay, so both we have to make 24. So that means that uh, if let's say product is A into B is C, we are saying that is equal to target is 24. So product of such that the product of elements. So let's say this is the product one and this is the product one. So this also should be 24. This also should be 24, right? If you multiply whole elements, it should be 24 into 24. That's the first thing, right? Hmm. So I think it could be two things. You should check two things. first state that the size should be more than 1. Okay, one thing is that constraints are very small. You can try backtracking basically, but I don't think this would be a backtracking question. So we should have product of 25, right? So the output product should be, Mhm. Just let's, if you divide that by 2, modulo target is not equal to 0 or total product by target is not equal to 2, return false, right? This is the first check. And then I should pick up all the elements that form the target, right? Let 253, I need to suppose should be true. This is better. Mm, just better. Now, now I need to know which element should I pick, right? I think it is backtracking only. Feels like backtracking. you are given an M cross N integer current and a K. M cross N integer current and a K. For every continuous K cross K, compute the minimum absolute difference between any two. Minimum absolute. So basically you sort that. Okay. Mm. K is also given. Seems like a seems like a traversal problem. Seems like a traversal problem. So basically you are given minus 23235 and K is your 2, so all 2 cross 2. So you start with this and then you move to next. So in this it is 1, sorry, minus 2, 1, 2, 3. This is difference is 1 and here difference is minus 2, 3, 3. Difference is 0. So minimum absolute difference in basically it a reversal problem that we will go from here to here and then here to here, right? First you go to the right side and then you go to the bottom. That makes sense? Okay, so then it is a plain traversal problem, how you can traverse it, right? So basically, when you are at 0, 0, right? So you know that you can traverse to the next element. So you are at 0, 0. Mm, Basically, now we have to go to the next part of it, right? Uh, all the next when you're at zero. So let's say I'm at I and J. Form matrix from this possible, right? Into K cross K matrix. If I plus 1 and J plus K is possible, right? Then for int I j k l is equal to I L is less than plus K L plus plus for int J is equal to L L J L M I j k M equal to J is less than J plus K and O plus plus. Um, I want to use, I can use list only. Mm, list integer. Probably tree set would be good. Reversal in reset is sorted. Where it is sorted. So ts dot add. There might be a lot of better ways to do this, but yeah, I'm going to do it in a very dirty manner. Why the answer is E cross K matrix? Why the answer is in? Oh, so basically hello. Seems like a very boring contest. Yeah, hi Mani. I'll answer your question in a minute. Hello. Why hello? Cannot find L. Oh my god. This is basically no, the starting is IJ, I think. Is it? From this I, yeah, the starting is IJ only. Correct, correct. This might be wrong. I don't think so. Yeah, you see, this I think is wrong. For every, I think it will be 0, 0. Yeah. So you commit 0 and then check this. So I'll answer your question. This is a very bad question, I think. Mani, please put a message in a chat if you can hear me. Uh, See, bro, time is a bro. I am not in any year. I'm a working. I have close to 3 years of experience now. Four, yeah, four. I'm in like fourth year of my corporate culture. Uday. So how much time it takes, man? I have been solving DSA from last 5 years. But if you need to get to 200, right, I think you need around 1 year of good preparation. Yeah, you should solve around 1 year of problems. So all of these are SD2 roles. So probably correct the 10 job offers uh, for SD2. So let me edit that. For SD2, that should avoid some confusion, I guess. Let's make it like this. This is nothing to bloat, man. This is just so that people know the credibility. Just to give you guys credibility. Like, it should not be like, why is this guy talking, right? So I've seen some of the stuff that I just want to share with you guys. That's the reason I'm here. This is a very, 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 very boring problem. This bullshit problem. But yeah, this type of problem I have seen in some ways very implementation heavy. So mm, one has to kind of solve these problems also. So you can't just skip these. If you guys are new to the channel, please feel free to like, subscribe, mainly ask questions, right? And then if you find things helpful, then you do the other. So, Money King, to answer your question, it will take around 1 year. Dedicated preparation. If you're solving good, I would say that start with this. Do a structured learning. It should take you 1 year or 2 year around. 2000 is not needed. You should get around 1800 and that should be good enough. If Mani or Uday, if you guys are still listening, please feel free to put a comment in a chat saying that understood or thumbs up. Anything is fine so that I stop talking. Cool. Cool, bro. Thanks, Mani. Okay, then I'll do the debugging of this one. This is a bullshit problem, but still, it is not picking up this thing. So let's see what is coming in this system.out.println. TS. Do I need to do ts.toString? Will come to know. Yeah, so it is never going in that, right? So first it is 2. So as it is starting from 0, it will be even if it is less than equal to because I will never be touching it. Then also let's go inside. So it's saying as it is empty, right? Now you go from I to J and O is less than O plus plus, right? So so you'll add all of these to it, right? So my output is also 2. Okay, this is stupid of me to print it here. Let's print it uh here. Then run it. Yeah, it is good. This is also good. Yeah, hopefully looks good. Let's see. Yeah, it's a very bad problem. Uh, whoever is listening, I took my time. I was using my phone in between, but I would be somewhere around 6,000, I think. 6,000 or so. Oh, 5,000. That's nice. But if I would in a contest, I would have gotten around uh, 2,500 because I would have been faster not talking and all. This seems a good problem. Yeah, we got rid of this. Mm. If anyone is watching, I'm taking a break, guys. I'll be back in 5 to 7 minutes. Cool, guys. Any comments? No comments. Cool. So you are given an anchor in classroom where a student volunteer is tasked with cleaning up the litter scattered around the room. Each cell is starting S, okay, S is the and L is the litter, and once collected, so the So the grid becomes empty. Okay, that makes sense. So you have S, that's like cross M. So so S is the starting point. Dot is MC space, so it is like this, and XL. X is the obstacle, okay, and R is the reset area that restores the student energy to full capacity regardless. Okay, R is like the reset. So you're also given an energy capacity that is 2. Let us start from here, go to this. Okay, representing the each move cost unit, and if the energy reaches 0, seems like something to do with Digitra or something, I think. It seems like a very good question. Mm, seems like a great question. So if you are at LS, it will start from here. The energy for 4 will go here. And then you'll so at every point what you will have is whether that particular cell is visited or not. If it is visited, you can, and then you have your current energy, right? If it is R, you can get your energy restructured, right? So again, it is 20. What if I do a DFS, brute force, right? So you start from here, you can go to this also, you can go to this also. In the end, how do you know that if the letter is minimum, that you can know by if it is already collected, right? If it is visited, but there could be different paths also, right? Like there is no point of coming back to, but there might be that, okay, you want to collect litter from there. Yeah, it's a good question. Mhm. Agree, guys. So I'll take a break and I'll resume from this question tomorrow. Mm.